Measuring time and simple pendulum. Have you ever wondered how our ancestors predicted time before clock was discovered? They used sand clock, sundial, and shadow of the sun to find time. The use of time was seen to necessary since ancient times. Now, the clocks have eased our purpose. We have different types of clocks to measure time. The working of clocks is rather complex, but all of them make use of the periodic motion to show the correct time. One of the most common and simple periodic motion is a simple pendulum. Have you ever seen a simple pendulum? Actually, you can make your own simple pendulum. Take a small metallic ball and suspend it by a thread. Tie the thread to a rigid stand. Make sure that the metallic ball suspends freely from its support. The metallic ball is called the bob of the pendulum. Make sure that the pendulum is at rest in its mean position. Slightly move the pendulum to one side and release it. The pendulum moves to and fro. The to and fro motion of the simple pendulum is called the oscillatory motion. The motion is periodic. What is one oscillation? When the bob starts from its mean position O, then to A and back to B and back to O is one oscillation. The time taken by the bob to complete one oscillation is called the time period of the pendulum. Let's recall what we have learned so far.